friends! Welcome to Sweet Anya. Let's know some fun facts about birds today. So let's start with our today's video. Fact number 1. Did you know the smallest bird egg belongs to hummingbird and is the size of a pea? Fact number 2. Did you know parrots are the only animal in the world capable of mimicking human speech? Fact number 3. Did you know owls can rotate their necks 270 degrees? Fact number 4. Did you know ducks are also called waterfowl because they are normally found in places where there is water like ponds and streams? Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Hope you like this video.